Okay, hi guys. So finally, 1 minute. Let me cross check if everything goes good. If you guys can hear me, guys, can you hear me properly? My voice is clear. Okay, nice. Okay, so in the last lecture, uh, in the last lecture, we have discussed about some basics of Oracle DBA, how to start your career as a Oracle database administrator, what is the importance of Oracle database throughout the IT industry. So we have discussed all these things very clearly, and that's really good to know about that. But one thing which I also mentioned that if you want to start your career as a Oracle DBA, you need to have a knowledge. You need to have a knowledge about what is that? You need to have a knowledge about SQL and Linux. So before we jump to the Oracle database administration, okay, before we jump to the Oracle database administration, I will help you to make you understand about I will help you to make you understand about what is that? I will make you to help you understand about SQL and Linux first. Because unless and until you don't have a knowledge about SQL and Linux, it is difficult to understand about the Oracle DBA. So that is the reason. Okay. So what I will do, what we will do, we will start with the Linux first. Once you are comfortable with the Linux, then we will start with the SQL, and then we are going to start with the Oracle DBA. Okay. So let's do that. Okay, let's do that. Now what I will do, let me share my screen. Let me share my screen with you all. And here, okay, fine. So what is Linux? Okay, why we are talking about Linux? What is Linux? So Linux is an operating system. Like in our daily routine, we also discuss about the Windows operating system, right? But in the real-time production environment, Windows is not that famous the way the Linux is there. The main important of the main thing about the Linux is it is open source. So basically, if I take the example of Windows, if you think that okay, I want to use the Windows operating system, it is a paid. Normally nowadays when you are purchasing a laptop, even the laptop is costly because of Windows operating system. So it is an open source database, so you can take the code, you can make the changes as per your requirement. We are not that smart to take the code and make the changes, but normally the people are doing that. So Linux is open source, so that is the reason you don't need to pay any additional cost, because whenever you are using any operating system in the real-time production environment, you need to bear the cost. So Oracle is quite compatible. Oracle is quite compatible with the Linux operating system. So what I will do, so first of all, we are going to install operating system. So here, sometimes people are using Oracle Linux, sometimes people are using Red Hat Linux. Apart from this, there are other operating systems like AIX is there, HP is there, Solaris is there, many other operating systems are there. Under that, you are going to install your Oracle database. So that Oracle database version is Oracle database 19c. That database version is Oracle database 19c. So we are going to use Oracle Linux or Red Hat Linux or AIX just for our practice purpose. Like since I don't want to make it more complicated, we can use the operating system. We called it as a Ubuntu operating system. Ubuntu is very famous, free of cost. You can use it free of cost, and the commands which are going to use under this Ubuntu operating system, same command you can use under the Oracle Linux, Red Hat Linux or AIX or HP or whatever operating system you are going to use. Everywhere it is same only. Now what I will do, without wasting the time, let's start with the practical. So in order to install the Ubuntu operating system, I need one software. We called it as a Oracle Virtual Box. Okay. If I want to install the Ubuntu operating system, I need a software called Oracle Virtual Box. It allow me to install and run multiple. It allow me to install a multiple softwares. I can run multiple machines. Like this is a Oracle Virtual Box, guys. So if you see here on my left hand side, I have some machines which are related to the Postgres. I have some machines which are related to the Oracle. I have some machines which are related to the rack. I have Ubuntu machine is also available. So we are going to start with the Ubuntu operating system. How to install this Oracle Virtual Box? First of all, you need to open a browser. Okay, what you need to do? You need to open a browser. Okay, so what I will do, let me open a browser first. So just open any browser. Just search here with download Oracle Virtual Box. Okay, just search here like this. Once you are here, click on the first website, Oracle Virtual Box. Click on the first website. Click on the Windows host. Okay, and now here you can see it has started downloading the machine. Okay, it's a very small software. Oracle Virtual Box is completely free of cost. Anyone can use that. So just download this. Okay, just go here. Search here with the Oracle Virtual Box. I'll give you the link also. Okay, you can use this. So what you can do, what we will do, first of all, for this session, session, you guys just watch me what I'm doing. We are going to provide you the recording also, so don't worry about that. So we are going to provide you the recordings also of it. So just go here, download the Oracle Virtual Box. Okay, and then install like a normal software. How we install the other softwares now? Just say double click next, and it will be done. Just say double click next, and it will be done. So what I will do, I'll just double click on it. Okay, double click on it, say next, and the way you install the other software, similar way you need to install this software. Click on next. I'm getting the error message to, not a error, a repair means do you want to install it again? So I'll just click on repair, and it will start installing it. I may get the error message because it's already installed in my laptop. Okay, so you can install this. If you already have Oracle Virtual Box, no need to install that. Don't worry about that. Okay, so it will be taking some time. Let it run. Then once I got Oracle Virtual Box and I install that, second thing is I need to download the ISO file for Ubuntu. I want to download the ISO file for Ubuntu also I need to download. How to do that? Let me go here and just search here with download Ubuntu and just download this 22.04 because everyone will use the same. Okay, don't use the other operating system because you may see some changes. Okay, so use this and click on the desktop version. So this desktop version, or if you scroll it down, you can see this file here. Right click, copy link, and just click on that. So you can download this one also. Okay, let me share that. So you can do that also. Okay, so once you click on it, automatically it will start downloading the ISO file. I'm closing it. I'm not downloading it because it's already downloaded in my laptop. If I'll show you that ISO file, it's already there with me. So don't worry about that. Okay, I'll show you that it's already there with me. So I'm doing good. Okay, so there are two things which you need to download. One is Oracle Virtual Box and second one is a download ISO file for Ubuntu. So this Ubuntu is basically, you consider like this is a setup file. This is a setup file to install the Ubuntu operating system. Now once you are done with the Oracle Virtual Box, you can just open this. So this is the way. I'll just close that. Click on search here with the Virtual Box. Okay, open it and you can see it here. Open it and you can see it here on your left hand side. You can see it. Okay, on my left hand side you can see it here, right? Now it is a time to do the installation. Okay, now it is a time to do the installation. So there are two things we have done. One is we have installed Oracle VirtualBox. Second thing, we have installed the ISO file, the setup file for Ubuntu operating system. You can see on my left hand side many machines are running. Those machines which are not required, I will just stop that. Those machines which are not running, I will just stop that. Now remember one thing, Oracle VirtualBox is a software which will allow you to run multiple operating systems at a time. But whenever the operating systems are running, it will consume your memory also. And there is a chances that your laptop may get stuck or it may get hang also. There is a chances that, okay. So those people who have 8 GB or 8 GB of RAM, the laptop will work nicely, okay, no problem. But those people who have 4 GB of RAM, the laptop may get hang also. I have a 32 GB RAM, so in my case everything will be running very smoothly, okay, but in your case it may be the problem. Now what I did, I just installed the Oracle VirtualBox and now I want to do something new. What I want to do, I'll click on new. I want to create a new machine. Which machine I want to create? So I'll give the name like April. I can give any name, Ubuntu. So this is the name which will be coming over here. You can see on my left hand side multiple machines are there. The similar way the name will be coming with Ubuntu machine. What is the VM folder? So where you want to install this Ubuntu, I'll just click here. I want to install it under C drive. I'll just use the same virtual machine, C drive. If you want to change the location, you can just click here and you can click on other also. That is also possible. Right now I'm not interested for that, so I'm okay with this folder. Where is your ISO file? Now just now I have downloaded the ISO file. My ISO file which I downloaded, I placed here in my E drive. In your case it may be available in the download folder, so you can just click on other, just go to the download folder and select that ISO file. I know my ISO file, that is the reason it is coming over here automatically. So this is the location where my ISO file, Ubuntu setup file is available. Uncheck this, you can uncheck this, proceed with unattended installation. Now it is asking you specify the hardware. I'm always telling you, whenever any server is running, whenever any server or operating system is running, to every operating system we need to allocate some memory, we need to allocate some CPU, we need to allocate some processors. There are three things we need to allocate. Why we require a memory? We require a memory for processing purpose. For example, if you guys are going to purchase a new laptop, when you guys are going to purchase a new laptop, every laptop you will have hard disks because you are going to store your videos, photos. You are going to have a CPU, the number of core. This is required just to run your application parallelly, because I'm going to run Zoom also, this Microsoft Whiteboard also, then I have Microsoft Teams also, multiple applications are running. Memory is required for processing purpose. Everything you cannot directly store into the hard disks. So first of all it will going into the memory. Similar way, like I'm taking the class, whatever I'm discussing now it is going into your memory, but memory is not permanent. That is the reason after the class we are giving you recording also, because recordings are permanent. So similar way, whenever you are installing any operating system, whether it is a Oracle Linux, whether it is a Ubuntu operating system, whether it is a Red Hat operating system, we need to allocate some memory. So what I will do, I will just allocate 3 GB of memory. How many CPU? One CPU is more than enough. How many process? How much storage? How much storage? The storage I will allocate 40 GB of storage. That's more than enough. So what I will do, this is all coming from your laptop only. Remember guys, okay? This is all coming from your laptop only. So what I will do, I'll just go here. How much memory you want to allocate? I'll just select and I'll mention like I will give more memory guys. Why I'm giving more memory? because I have a more memory available. So if you see here, I have 32 GB RAM available. My laptop is quite good because I need to take a lot of trainings, so I'm giving more memory. How much CPU you want to give? I have 12 CPUs are there, so I'll give 3 CPUs or 4 CPUs. I'll give more because I have a lot of work, right? That is the reason. How much hard disk you want to allocate? I will allocate around 40 GB of 40 GB. 40 GB is also sufficient, so I'll just allocate 40 GB. So whenever you are installing any software, you need to allocate memory. See, even when this Zoom is running, it is also allocating some memory, right? It also have, like, the task manager. If you go here, the browser is consuming my memory, my Zoom is consuming my memory, everyone is consuming the memory, right? So you can see it over here. Once it is done, click on finish. Once it is done, click on finish, and now you can see that over here on your left hand side. Till now we have not started the installation. Till now we have just allocated a memory, we have allocated a storage, we have allocated a CPU. Then the next part will be, we need to click on settings. But before I go to the setting level, I just want to ask everyone, are you people understanding whatever we discussed till now? Till now, whatever we have discussed, are you able to understand? Can you please use the chat option and let me know if you are able to understand, everyone? Whatever we are discussing, are you able to understand? Okay, nice. Nice. Sanjay is saying yes, Prakash is saying yes, Rakesh is saying yes, Sagar is saying yes, Sandeep is saying yes, Nikhil is saying yes, Sushant is saying yes, Rajan is saying yes, Ashutosh is saying yes, Dilip is saying yes, Dheeraj is saying yes. Nice, nice. Okay, great. Amit is saying yes, Henry is saying yes. Great, great. Mercy is also saying yes. Okay, fine. So what I will do, the next part, click on system, just mention this USB tablet, the memory I have already allocated. If you want to change the processors, you can change that from here. Click on the network and select this bridge adapter. I'm allocating a network to my Ubuntu machine. The main reason behind that, because what is the main reason? Because I want internet in my machine. What I want internet in my machine. That is the reason I am doing that. Since I need internet in my machine, I am allocating the bridge adapter. Then click on OK. Everything is done. Invalid setting, display settings, network. अच्छा, ठीक है, NAT भी चलेगा. NAT is also fine, bridge is also fine. Okay, then click on start, and now we have started the installation of Ubuntu operating system. It's happening, guys. Now we have started the installation. Okay, now we have options called acha. See, sometimes this is not happening. I'll do one thing. Power off, 1 meter. Click on settings, click on network, USB tablet. Did I selected that? Okay, it's already selected now. Okay, click on OK. What about the, I think I need to reinstall my VirtualBox. Because I installed that VirtualBox now. Whenever you are installing the VirtualBox, after that you need to restart the machine. But if you restart the machine, this will be stopped. This, this meeting will be stopped. Okay. Again I need to restart. Actually I need to restart anyway. Okay, what I will do, okay, it's okay, since it is the first day, that's fine for you. Whatever configurations I have done till that, you guys complete that. Tomorrow I will complete the installation of Ubuntu, and tomorrow itself we will start with the Linux command. Okay, tomorrow only we will start with the Linux command. But if you guys have any questions, queries, anything, you guys can ask me. If you have any questions regarding the trainings, you guys can unmute yourself and you can ask the questions. And there is a form available in the chat options, so you can fill up that form also. But you guys can ask your question. You can, whatever questions you have, you. Yes, please.
Can you hear?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, this is my first class actually. I didn't attend that previous class. So you mentioned like the Oracle, what is Oracle DBA and what is the users and all. I think you have earlier taken the classes.
That is
But
a kind of demo only. Even that will be also included. That recording will be also available with this Learnomet app.
that's what I wanted to ask.
It will be
If I
there.
connect
It will be
on
there.
I can watch and listen.
It will be there.
Thank you, sir.
We will add that. Yes.
sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, where we can get the recording?
The recordings will be available in Learnomet app. आम्ही कॉल मध्ये नाही येऊ. पहा. Yes, please, guys.
Sir,
Yes. Yes,
So
please.
I have 8 GB RAM. So how many VM I can able to have?
So don't run multiple VMs at a time. Run one VM at a time. You can see, right? I have almost 10-15 VMs are there. So whatever VM I want to use, only that VM I am starting. You can have 10, 20, 30 VM also, but you cannot run all the VM at a time. You can run only one VM at a time, and that's more than enough. Even we are going to use one VM only, because whenever the VMs are running, your virtual machines are running, it will consume the memory. So whenever you don't want to use that, just right click and stop it, so that your laptop will be running fastly.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Hi sir.
Yes,
This
please.
is Rajesh.
Yes, please.
Yeah. Well, currently I'm staying in USA. So I just want to know, it's my first class and the timings and is there any fees for this?
Yeah, so this SQL and Linux, you guys can use that. Yeah, so this Oracle DBA training it's a paid training.
Okay, so when it started?
It's already started. So today is the first class.
So how should I pay? So I don't know about the payment.
Can you? Okay, 1 minute. Can you fill up that form which I have given you?
Okay.
Can
How
you?
do you fill that form today?
Yeah.
The attendance form?
Yeah, attendance form. You can fill up that, or you can also visit our official website. This is the official website. There also you can see there is a WhatsApp is there, right? Can you see here?
Yeah.
So you can click here, and it will directly send a message to my team.
Ultimate.org. Okay.
Yeah.
So the original DBA class is not started yet, right?
No.
Okay, so I just wanted to know that I already had a little bit experience of Linux because I worked in TCS for 2 years.
Okay.
So unfortunately, I didn't get promoted to DBA. So I want to learn all the things. So
No problem. Here I'm starting with the Linux only, because there are some people, they are coming from Windows background, so they don't know about the Linux. So we will have some discussion and some practical scenarios on Linux. Then we will discuss about the SQL, and finally we will start with our Oracle DBA.
so the timings are 8 p.m. 8
Same timings, same PM, 8 PM to 9 PM.
Okay, thank you so much.
Ankush,
Yes, please.
I've been having this problem of having a 4G memory, and I can't afford an 8G right now. So, do you think I'll benefit from this class or not?
Yeah. So those people who do not have enough memory, let's say you have 4 GB of RAM, we have dedicated labs are also available. Okay. So we will provide you the lab access, so you guys can use that.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, so just send a message to our WhatsApp group that I need a lab access. So we will provide you lab access by tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
You
you.
say lab access, am I right?
Yeah, lab. Yeah, it's a lab, Ubuntu lab, or you say Linux lab. Linux lab. You will get it. Okay.
Okay, Linux lab.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks.
Just the last question. For those who don't have any inkling, no idea, no IT idea, are you accommodating us or you're just teaching because others have ideas?
Now we'll start with the very basics, especially our expertise, like those people who are coming from non-technical background also now. Okay, they can easily understand that there is no coding, nothing. But yeah, you guys need to do a lot of practice. Okay, so we are providing you recordings. Go through that. Do it slowly, slowly. We will help you.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
Guys, how much storage is actually needed?
You need 40 GB, 40 GB, 30 GB is also sufficient.
Okay. Yeah, RAM as you mentioned 8 GB, right?
RAM 8 GB is enough. Nowadays every laptop is coming with 8 GB RAM.
Well, actually, I'm using a government laptop which given in college.
Acha. Don't worry. So if you don't have like that much of RAM, we will provide you lab access.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Why am I'm asking you to do the practice on your personal laptop? Because laptops are available all the times. Sometime what happen, if the current is not there, na, the lab will be shut down. So that is the main challenge. But anyway, we will provide you. Yes, please.
Actually, can you please let me know the scenarios that what will be covered overall, how many days it will be take for covering the Linux and how many days it will cover the SQL?
No, Linux and SQL, we are focusing on basic commands only, which are required for the Oracle database administration, because this is not the course of Linux administrator. This is mostly focusing on the daily, because our main focus is on Oracle. But yeah, there are certain commands are there, certain queries are there, or some sort of people are there, students are there, they don't know anything about the Linux and SQL. So for them, we are doing that. Okay. So this will, yeah.
For the supporting team, who can I connect?
So if you, I'll tag them in the group today. Okay.
Okay.
I'll tag them.
And also for the network, you have mentioned something I am not understand on the networks related to
Network related, na, I will explain that in tomorrow's class. Today I was not able to complete the installation because I need to restart the laptop actually. But if I restart the laptop, this meeting will be, again we need to restart. So that is the reason. So tomorrow I will explain what is the importance of network here.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Sir, tomorrow again you will start with installation.
Tomorrow we will complete the installation. Installation is already started. Okay. So we will provide you the recording. Those who missed by any chance, we will provide you the recording. You guys can go through that. Again, we have a dedicated support team also available in the group. You can WhatsApp them. They are available. But please don't like call them actually. They don't receive the call. They have only WhatsApp access. So just tag them in the group. They will take your control and fix the issue. In order to take the control, you can use a software called AnyDesk. There is a software called AnyDesk. So this software you can download. This is a free software. So they will take your control and they will fix the issues. Okay. Only give the control to my team only, from my team. Okay. Don't give control to anyone for security reason, I'm saying.
Okay, sir. How we have to contact them with WhatsApp?
I'll WhatsApp. They are in the group actually, because today only we started na. So we will inline everything in 1 or 2 days.
Can we use Teams, sir?
What you say?
Can we use Teams?
What Teams?
Teams application.
Teams application, we don't use that. We have a direct WhatsApp now. Like the students, they don't understand Teams and all. Okay. So Teams we are using for our internal communication, for LearnMate communication. We are directly giving you WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp. You will be the part of WhatsApp group and you can directly discuss over there. So we created a WhatsApp group just to have a technical discussion. So by any chance, if you have any questions, queries, anything, or you, so for that we have created that.
On WhatsApp group, we can't share our screen, right?
No, they will take the control by using any disk, na, and they can see the screen. Okay.
Sir, for internet, do we need any separate fiber net or mobile data?
No. Only your Wi-Fi or maybe in your
Okay, sir,
that's fine.
By mobile data. Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
The course duration will be?
3 months.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, basically we are starting this Oracle DBA training. We have already started actually the Oracle DBA training. By any chance, if someone missed and someone want to start the training immediately, please reach out to the Learnomet, the learnomet.org official website. You can fill up the forms which is available in the chat option. And okay, so let's start. This training is going to helpful for the people, those who are not interested in coding, those people who are coming from non-technical background, those people who want to come into the IT industry. Remember always, okay, people may say anything, but I'm telling you upfrontly, today also, tomorrow also, Oracle was there, Oracle is there, and Oracle will be always there. Okay, remember this database no one can automate. Okay, um, so okay, I'll be also there till the time the database is there.
Yeah, it's true. There are like 30,000 layoff happened right
Where?
in Oracle. So is that related to us or
Which one? Which one?
in US there is a Oracle layoff happened right now?
That is happening. That's a part of. See, that's not nothing to do with the. Okay, you people are talking about the Oracle layoff. You are saying this is nothing to do with the kind of Oracle database is going or something like that. You guys are not ready. See, why the Oracle is firing? Because they want to set up the data centers for the cloud and AI. Now, whenever they want to set up the data center, they need a huge amount. They need the money, right? So from where the money will come? So they are going to reduce the count because they can save some cost. When they get some money, they will build a data center. And in the data center, who is working? Who will be working in future? Tell me. You people only, na? So do you think that the data center will be running automatically? And if you turn on the AC and automatically the data center will work? No, nothing like that. Okay. And this is something we call it as a restructurizing. This is nothing to do with the technologies and all. Okay. And which company is not doing layoff? Tell me one thing. Did you heard about the TCS? The people are calling it as a government job and all.
Once upon a time.
TCS is gone. Cognizant, Techem, Google, Facebook. You tell me one company. So, okay, those people who are, creating a rumors and all, sitting idle, nothing doing at home. Okay, forget them. Focus on technology. Update yourself. Okay. Now, some people might be thinking that I want to run my business and because of that only. No. Whatever we have today, whatever I am today, whatever Learnomit is there, this is a brand for databases. It is all because of Oracle only. It is all. We have 3 branches in Pune location. I was nothing. I was zero. This is all because of Oracle. Okay. So, and again, it's not like we have only Oracle only. We have all the technologies actually. Okay. I'm listening this Oracle from 1980s. Oracle, Java, Python. This core technology will be always there. Okay. Remember, always there. So keep updating yourself, start learning about the fundamentals, then update yourself with the cloud. Slowly AI is there. We are also coming with the AI free webinar for 15 days. You guys can join that one also. Okay, but actually I think we have some timing conflict because the same time we have both the classes. Okay, so for you people I'll do that. Okay, and remember, okay, Oracle will be always there. Mind my word. Okay, this is live. And check this. Okay, thank you. Let's connect tomorrow. We'll continue with the Oracle installation same time. Okay, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, and the recordings will be available. I'll see whether it is available today. Definitely it will be available by tomorrow because now I don't know whether team is available. If it is not available, but get the access to the Learnomet app, guys. Get the access to the Learnomet app.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. If you already have VM, you install one more, na? You install one more Ubuntu operating system, so that we both will be in line. Okay.
There is not a lot of space there, sir.
It's okay. Then don't do that. Okay. If you already have some knowledge, just see what I'm doing. Okay. Just try to understand.
So one question, so what is mount point there for installing?
We will use the root mount point only. We will not create any new mount point. Okay. We will use the root mount point only. But for Oracle, we are going to create a slash data for Oracle. Here we are not creating. For Ubuntu, we are not creating. For there we will create. Yes, please.
Sir, for the Ubuntu, I have to remove my window operating system, or I can install it in the Windows.
In your Windows operating system, you need to install Oracle VirtualBox. Under that, you need to install Ubuntu. How to do that, I have already explained. Okay, and tomorrow also I will repeat it. Tomorrow also I will repeat.
Sir, please share the GenAI workshop.
I'll share with you in your group. I'll share with you.
Ankush,
One request, don't change this time. This is good time for everyone.
This will be the confirmed time. Even I don't have time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is a fixed time for Oracle DBA. There is no other timing. Okay. This is a fixed time. I don't have actual time. I have a 7 to 8 batch already. Then I have 8 to 9 this one. After 9 o'clock, I have wife, kids, right? So I need to take care of them. So 9 is the end.
Ankush, this is Omsi. Actually, can you share the links you have shared in the Zoom chat, right? Can you please share in the WhatsApp also?
Which one?
Actually, that will be after the call. It will be.
Which one? Which one?
Sir, for downloading the applications.
Which link you are saying? Ubuntu na? Ubuntu I'll share with you.
Ubuntu.
I'll share with you. I'll share with you.
Thank you.
Hi, sir.
Yes, please.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you. Tell me.
Yeah, sir. This is Srividya from Chennai. How are you doing, sir?
I'm always good. Tell me.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So this is my first class, sir. I'm so happy to be connected here. The information which you shared right now, it was too good. I felt super excited to continue on this journey with you, sir.
Thank you.
And I have a question. I'm an Oracle DBA holding 9+ years of experience, and I'm so proud to be called as an Oracle DBA. So happy to get the news regarding the Oracle layoffs, and you just gave us a wonderful word, like they are restructuring their organization and also technologies whatsoever. So thank you so much, sir. Sir, another question. So we have with respect to data card. So we have 3 protection modes, like which is maximum performance, maximum protection, and maximum availability.
Yeah.
So say suppose my production database is going to have the protection mode as maximum availability, and I have my DR, right, and which is going to be in sync with my production. And say suppose my DR, also whatever can be the reason, due to network issues or due to unresolving the gaps between the primary and DR, my DR is going to face some issues. And normally, when we face issues with the DR, we go and look into the alert log of the primary database to see why it is causing the error, and we go and fix it, right, sir?
Yeah, we do that. We also check the gap in between primary and standby.
Correct. Yeah. Say suppose, so my DR is going to have this issue, and say my production database is going to be in maximum availability mode, and what can be the visible outcomes which I can see in spite of having the proactive measures, say DG monitor jobs, we can create in our cron jobs to check the sync status between my primary and standby. In spite of that, what will happen to my prediction database having the maximum availability as its prediction mode? Will it get affected, and what would be the scenario, sir, in that case? I wanted to know about that.
Acha, you are talking about the data card scenarios, na? I will do one thing, okay? I'll tell you my personal number. You just fill up the form. I'll give you my number. You call me, okay? We will discuss. If I discuss it here, the people will not understand. They will not register. They are their first class.
Yeah, sure, sir. Thank you
Okay,
so much.
we'll do that. I'll take care of that. Okay. But for that, we need to understand the difference between maximum availability, maximum protection, and maximum performance. Okay. You guys are using maximum availability in your class? In your
It's a maximum performance only. But say I just got this question. If it's going to have my maximum availability as my prediction mode, so I think the maximum availability, it has a feature, say like it is going to have a async kind of a transport from primary to
no.
standby.
See, in maximum performance, that is a async mode. But if you go with the other protection mode, na, that is a sync mode. The maximum performance, the good thing is there will be in, like, let's say there will not be any, the performance wise it is much better actually, because it is async na. So whenever you are making changes to the primary, you will not get any acknowledgement from the standby in performance, I am saying. So that is the reason, even if your standby is not working, the primary will start doing the commit. Primary will keep doing the commit. It will not wait whether the transactions are reaching to the standby or not. That is the maximum performance. So performance wise it is really good. But if you take the example of maximum availability or other things, that is good. Sync is there na, that is good actually, but it is the performance wise it is not that good, because unless and until you are not getting the acknowledgement from the standby, the primary will not make the commit. Primary will not. So that is so. But in my experience now, the most of the people are using maximum performance, 90% I would say. Some banking may be going with the maximum availability. Yeah, and that third one is very dangerous. Protection. That will kill the directly primary itself. The primary will shut down if there is no acknowledgement coming from standby. So that's very dangerous actually.
Okay, sir. Sir, but I think the protection will go with the sync mode, and the availability and performance has a feature of async, right? As you mentioned, primary will not wait for the acknowledgement from the standby. So as soon as the read logs gets generated, if we have the archives, it will, say we have a normal standby and a real-time apply. So which will be in mounted state for the normal standby, and real-time apply will have the redo logs directly getting applied from the primary to the standby, right? So in this case, primary will not be waiting for the acknowledgement from the standby whether it is being applied to the standby side or not.
No, for that you need to understand about two more concepts. Far sync and no, sorry, that was that affirm and firm. Okay.
Affirm and no affirm.
No affirm and no firm. So that two concepts are also very important in that case.
Okay. Log writer affirm and log writer.
So that two concepts are also very important.
Okay, sir.
Many things are there to discuss. Okay. Fine guys. Okay. So those people who are not understanding anything, forget about that. Don't worry about that. I will explain you everything slowly, one by one. Okay. So you will be a very good DBA and you will earn like anything. Okay. It's just a matter of skills and keep updating yourself. Redo log you will understand when we are talking about the Oracle database architecture. Okay. So you'll understand about the redo logs, archive logs, then many things are there. Okay. So all those things we'll discuss. Okay. But this is just a first class na. First we will target Linux, then SQL, and then we will start with Oracle DBA. Okay. So thank you. Yeah.
A question, please. I just discovered that some new laptops, Microsoft Edge, blocks one from downloading Chrome. So how do we go around that?
No, I didn't get you. What you said?
Some new laptops, Microsoft Edge, or Microsoft installs Edge as their main browser, and they make it difficult for you to download.
No, you need to change your default browser to Google Chrome. Okay.
Yeah, even if you want to do it, they'll tell you you're going to lose some security that comes with the laptop.
No, nothing will happen. Don't worry about that. Okay. Nothing will happen. You can use Google Chrome. Microsoft Edge is the default browser which is coming from the Microsoft only. So they are promoting Microsoft Edge actually. But the Google Chrome is best one. Okay. You guys can use that.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Any question, Faiz, related to the training? Those people who want to start the career as a Oracle DBA. Any question for me? Okay. No? All right then. Thank you so much. Let's connect tomorrow. We'll continue this, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks. Thank you. Thanks everyone.